Now let's understand functions in Python. A function is a block of code that performs a specific task. In Python function, there are two types of functions. First one is built-in functions. The functions which are already defined in Python. For example, print, type, range, etc. And second type of function, user-defined functions. User-defined functions are those functions which we can define ourselves. Now let's see the syntax of user-defined functions. First, the function header. The function header starts with the keyword def, followed by the function name, followed by parameter or parameters. Here there are two parameters in this function, but there may or may not be any parameter in a function. Then followed by colon and followed by the body of the function. Here it returns the value of the z in this function. There may or may not be any return statement in a function. Now a function should be defined before it is called. So to call this function, use the name of the function with parameters. Now here the parameters 2 and 5 will be assigned to variable x and y. So after addition, the value will be assigned to z, that is 7. And that value will be written using the return statement. Therefore, sum 2 5 will give value 7. Now let's see the function without any parameter and without any return statement. So here is a function show, and this function has body in which there are two print statements. One prints hello and another one prints Python. So when this function will be called by using its name, it will print hello and Python. So that's it. Now we'll try programs for functions on Google Colab. And this is our Google Colab. So first rename this file as functions. First take a text cell and write functions. Click here and then double click this and take a new code cell and start writing function here. So first write the keyword def, then function name, sum, then pass two parameters x and y, then colon, and then body of the function. So take a variable z and assign sum of x and y, then return statement return z. After that we have to call this function. So write sum, pass two values 2 and 5. This function calling should be parallel to def. You can observe here. That means the calling of the function is outside the body of the function. So now let's run this and we'll get the sum of x and y, that is 7. Now take another code cell and here we'll have a function with no arguments and no return statement. So first function header, write def, then function name show without any parameters, After that, colon followed by the body of the function, and take two print statements here. First one will print hello, and second one will print Python. Then call this function by using its name, show, and let's run this. We'll get the output hello Python. So that's it for today, and see you in next video. Till then, enjoy Python programming.